Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. It's the end of November, and guess what's coming? The holidays! So I want to give you a couple of tips on how to navigate the holidays with joy. And if you're an artist or stained glass artist in particular, you will be interested in this. So, number one is start now. I started a long time ago to get my Christmas things ready because I have a show coming up December 5th, which is the $100 show, and I needed 25 pieces. So I did all of these pretty much in the last couple of months, but all of those up there I've been working on all year. I've got collectors who come and get another month from the show, and so there's January through December and a couple of extras. So start early, and then you won't be all frazzled when it's time for oh no, the show is next week. Don't do that to yourself. Okay, number two, share your artwork. This was so fun. Every Christmas I make an ornament for my children and also for some ornament parties that we go to. And these, I kind of took the idea from the December tree, simplified it, miniaturized it, and this is what I came up with. So this is going to be so fun to give away. Each of my children get one, and I hope that they will love them. So you share your art, give away things if you want to, and have sales. It's just all part of the fun of Christmas. Okay, the next thing is, let's see, you're going to have to...
Something else.
Something else. Next thing is to set boundaries. So I've got some beautiful red and green lights here. I haven't put up my tree yet, so this is as close as we get to some Christmas lights. And so if you set boundaries, give yourself time to play. Go to the concerts and go see the kids singing, and we'll come back here in the light and do the things that are so much fun, and give yourself time to do that. Don't be so busy all the time that you don't give yourself time to just sit back, have a cup of cocoa, maybe dream about what projects you want to do next year.
Watch a stupid Hallmark movie.
Oh, they're not stupid.
So many of them are.
I know, watch movies. Okay. Then one more thing. And I put this on this beautiful piece of glass because surround yourself with inspiration. What a beautiful time of year. Go see some lights and get inspired, maybe for your own art or just for your own soul. So surround yourself with inspiration and love and light this Christmas. And just enjoy the season, enjoy your artwork, enjoy stained glass, because especially in the Christmas season, it's just so very beautiful. Mm-hmm. So have a wonderful week, and we will see you next time for Wisdom Wednesday for Gomm Stained Glass. This has been Jeannie. See you later.